Hi children, welcome back to our class. Today we will continue with the type of chemical reactions. Last class we have studied two types of chemical reactions, the combination reactions and decomposition reaction. Today we will see the third type of reaction, that is displacement reaction. We are moving to our topic, displacement reaction. Type of reaction 3, displacement reactions. In this displacement reaction, two types of reactions are the single displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction, we can see with one example. We can put iron drops, or we can drop iron nails to copper sulfate solution. We can drop iron nails to copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, and after the reaction we can observe that iron has displaced the copper. Iron is more reactive than copper, so iron will displace copper to form iron sulfate, which is green in color. Solution color will change and copper will be deposited there at the bottom of the test tube. So for the reaction to happen, the displacement reaction to happen, we should know the reactivity series there. So for that we should know reactivity series. Potassium is the highly reactive metal and platinum is the least reactive. In between we can observe, we can see the sodium, then calcium, magnesium, aluminium, all these elements are there. So the reactivity series, which is the series in which metals are arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity, and based on that reactivity series the elements are displacements there. If a metal is more reactive in that this reactivity series, position is top, then that metal will be more reactive. If a metal is more reactive then that metal can replace or displace the least reactive metal. So we can write that reactivity series: potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium. After that calcium only magnesium will come. Okay, so we can continue. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium. After that aluminium there comes zinc, then comes iron, then comes copper, then silver. After that silver will come, gold, then platinum. So these are the elements there. In this series one non-metal is also present that we have studied in 8th standard. So in this particular reactivity series, if a particular element is below and another metal is above, that bottom metal can top metal can displace the bottom metal from its salt solution. That means a more reactive metal can displace a less reactive metal from its salt solution. That is actually known as displacement. So in this case iron is above copper in the reactivity series, so iron will displace copper from its solution and iron sulfate and copper will be produced. Another example for displacement is zinc. Zinc plus sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid, any acid. Here zinc will displace hydrogen, so zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas will be produced. This is an exothermic reaction also. Okay, so this is a single displacement, only one element, one reactant is displacing the other. That is actually known as a single displacement. In a particular displacement reaction, both the reactants are displaced by each other, then mutually, then we can call it as double displacement reaction. So at that time we can write the second one, double displacement reaction, double displacement. In this double displacement case, we can write example, that is familiar example, barium chloride solution when mixed with the sodium sulfate solution. Both are clear solutions, and on mixing we will get barium sulfate precipitate there. It is a precipitate, and sodium chloride also we will be getting, that is a solution there. So in this case, barium replaced sodium and sodium replaced barium here. So that mutual displacement happened. Such an example is known as a double displacement reaction. Another example for a double displacement reaction, we can see one more example there, that is silver nitrate, AgNO3, silver nitrate on reaction with the sodium chloride. If you are treating sodium chloride with silver nitrate, AgCl, silver chloride plus sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Sodium nitrate will be produced there, and AgCl, which is a curdy white precipitate. Curdy white precipitate. In this case, both mutual displacement taken place there. Okay, one more example we can see for double displacement, that is copper sulfate, which is again blue in color, that on reaction with the hydrogen sulfide, H2S. And during that time we can see copper sulfide, this is displaced here, and this is copper CuS, copper sulfide, which is black in color, and we will get sulfuric acid, H2SO4 there, and this copper sulfate is black in color. So mutual displacement of mutual elements on reactant side is taking place, then new products are produced there. That is actually, and that reaction, in this double displacement reaction, displacing mutual displacement will be taking place, and this is known as double displacement. And displacement reactions are of two types, single and double, and double displacement reactions are always, most of the double displacement reactions are precipitate formation reactions. So we can say they are precipitation reactions also. So the type of reactions are there, different types of reactions are there. First of all, we have seen combination reaction, decomposition, thermal decomposition, photolysis, electrolysis, then displacement, single and double displacement reactions. And after that we can see that oxidation and reduction reactions in further videos. Hope this much is clear to you. Thank you.